What a beautiful day outside. Where's that coming from? I've gotta get out of here! Starfish, you gotta help me! No way, but that guy over there can. I can tell you what that is. That is a rare nuclear ticking bomb. There is only one in the world. It is very rare. Awesome, Starfish. Did you hear? Starfish, guess what? Yep, you got it. We're gonna play a game of tic-tac-toe. Scratch Cat, why would I want to play a weird game of tic-tac-toe with you? Because I brought cookies. And that guy over there wants to play too.
Epic fail.
Is that all he says? You betcha. I really need to get a hobby. Alright, boys, let's roll to see who goes first. This is tic-tac-toe. You don't roll to see who goes first. Oh yeah, you're right. You play rock, paper, scissors. You've got to be kidding me. Okay, Starfish, what do you choose? Great choice. Okay, what's your choice?
Epic fail.
Great choice. Oh darn it, it's a tie. Well, I guess we're just gonna have to start all over. I can't take this anymore. I'm getting out of this place.
Epic fail.
Would you get out of here?